Did you know you can make passive income by sharing your unused internet? Imagine earning crypto while doing nothing. Introducing Grass AI Coin, the revolutionary way to earn rewards simply by contributing your bandwidth. Stay tuned to learn what Grass is, how it works, and how you can start earning Grass tokens today. What is Grass AI Coin? Grass AI Coin, also known as GRS, is a decentralized platform where users can share their unused internet bandwidth. AI developers use this shared bandwidth to enhance their projects, such as training AI models and running AI-powered services. In return, users are rewarded with GRAS tokens. It's a win-win for both internet users and the AI community. How does it work? Download the app. To get started, download the Grass app from their official website or app store. Earn rewards. As your bandwidth gets used by the network, you'll earn Grass tokens. The more bandwidth you share, the more you earn. Share bandwidth. Keep the app running in the background, and it will automatically share a portion of your unused internet. Benefits of Grass AI Coin. Passive income. Earn Grass tokens without lifting a finger. Just let the app run. No extra hardware. You don't need expensive mining rigs or setups. Support AI innovation. By sharing your internet, you're helping developers build the future of AI. High rewards potential. As the Grass network grows, the value of Grass tokens could increase, giving you even better returns. How to earn Grass tokens. Step 1. Visit the official website getgrass.io. Step 2. Download and install the Grass app on your computer or mobile. Step 3. Create an account and set up the app. Step 4. Keep the app running in the background. Step 5. Watch as you accumulate Grass tokens passively. Is Grass AI Coin safe? Grass prioritizes user privacy. Your activity is not tracked and your personal data is never shared. The platform only uses your extra bandwidth, making it a safe and reliable way to earn. As of now, Grass is gaining momentum in the market. Price: around $2.40 per token. Market cap: approximately $585 million. All-time high: $4.24. With a growing user base and demand for bandwidth, Grass has strong potential for growth in the coming months. So, if you're looking for a hassle-free way to earn passive income, Grass AI Coin is worth exploring. Download the app, share your bandwidth, and start earning Grass tokens today. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more crypto updates, and let us know your thoughts on Grass in the comments below. See you in the next one.